Hi, welcome to Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen and I'm here to celebrate New Year with you. Stay tuned and I'll bring you a recipe. Today's recipe is mocktails and canapes. This is a great way to bring New Year in, whether you're on your own, with family or at a party. Here's the ingredients. For our mocktail, we have fresh mint, lemonade, lemons and limes, and ice if you have it. And for the canapes, you need mozzarella cheese, cherry tomatoes, crackers, cheese spread and chives. We'll start with the mocktail. Start by chopping your citrus fruit, your lemons or your limes, whatever you've got at home. Take the mint and put it in a jug. Really bash the mint to get the oils out of it. Squeeze the lemons or the limes into the jug and leave in the jug. Take the lemonade and add the mint and lemon. You could add some ice. I don't have any today, so that's why we haven't got it. Pour into your glasses and top with a sprig of mint. For the canapes, I've got mozzarella balls, but you could use cheese of any description. Pop the cheese onto a cocktail stick along with a tomato and cheese on top. You could vary this by using ham between or basil, put a little bit of basil on there. Any cheese will do, but this mozzarella's beautiful. Take your spreadable cheese, pop it on a cracker, slice the tomato in half, put it between them and add some chives for decoration. You could do this with smoked salmon or ham if you like. This is great to a sharing plate or just to have on your own. Happy New Year.